Porque revólver, se pistola tem maior
film
poder
this one?
de fogo, tem certeza
And in 108 degree heat, I believe it was, down in Mississippi in front of a very supportive audience, he did it. I mean, he did 8 rounds in 1 second on one target.
Shooter ready. Stand by. Okay, all right.
He did 8 rounds on 4 targets in 1.06. And then he did the 6 shots, a reload, and 6 shots in 2.99 seconds.
Stand by. .99.